In a city that never sleeps, there's a hidden culture that never slows down. They call it cutting up, high-speed, high-risk driving through crowded highways, threading the needle between cars at speeds that leave no margin for error. At the center of this underground scene are drivers known by aliases, names like Squeeze Benz. Not celebrities in the traditional sense, but digital age outlaws, building massive followings online. Their content is raw, unfiltered, a mix of adrenaline and danger that draws millions of views, and just as much controversy. But why do they do it? For some, it's the thrill, the pure, uncontrollable rush of speed in a world governed by rules. For others, it's status, online recognition, a digital reputation built one risky maneuver at a time. And for a few, it's something deeper, an escape from routine, a way to feel in control in a chaotic world. Yet despite the danger, catching these drivers is far from simple. City built on motion, some are always pushing it too far. In many cities, strict no-pursuit policies limit high-speed chases. The logic is simple. Chasing reckless drivers at extreme speeds often creates more clutter than stopping them. The result, drivers know that if they push fast enough, pursuit may never begin. technology has become their co-pilot. Apps like Waze allow users to report police presence in real time. A single alert can redirect a driver instantly, turning enforcement into a game of cat and mouse. And then there's knowledge, the kind you can't download. These drivers memorize routes, exits, blind spots. They know where traffic builds, where cameras sit, where escape is possible. To them, the city isn't just roads, it's a map of opportunities. Beneath the thrill lies a reality that's harder to ignore. One miscalculation, 1 second too late, and the consequences ripple far beyond the driver. Cutting up isn't just a trend, it's a reflection of speed, risk, and the limits of control in a modern world.